I've been breaking down. Never thought it would happen. Turn myself around. I'm afraid of falling, losing all my self-control on my own. I feel like time moves slow when I'm alone. I'm losing all my self-control. I'm losing all my self-control. I'm losing all my self-control. Starting again, but I feel picking up pieces in my